So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be.
So what? I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Washed it the other day. Watch how you lean on it. Some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers, and smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a class clown, and then I stick for the damn with your bitch smoking gray.
It's like 17 peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella taste. Oh my god, I'm on the chase. Chevy, it's getting kinda
Go back, go back.
Relevant, selling it, dipping away. Time keeps slipping away. Zipping the safe, flipping for pay. Tipping like I'm dripping in paint. Up front, 4 blunts like a leaf. Put the wheat in the J. Hey.
Mamy symbacjonaną chwilą!
How do you feel, Amko? Clyde, Andy, and Jermaine Defoe.
Gonna be some weed in the air. Tell them that.
This is for fun.
Where we going and now you know it when I step right up. Get my light on so I can light up.
That's how it should be done. Soon as you thinking you're down, never turn things around like things are looking up.
From the ground up, pound up this Taylor gang. So turn my sound up and mount up and do my thing.
Now I'm chillin', fresh out of class, feeling like I'm on my own and I could probably own a building. My own car, no job, no kids, bringing out the science project. Me and Matt killed it.
MPC, DDV, it's free. It's me, this is us. We go first and we go fight and we go roll and live our life.
We get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
Yeah, roll one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party.
Jerking,
Roll one,
jerking,
smoke one, and we all just
jerking
having
at the mall.
fun.
Come on.
We just
Come
roll
on.
one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun.
Sonny, Sunsky. Let's go, DJ Amko.